Hello and welcome. If you're looking for a little soft reset during your day, this can be done anywhere, anytime. You don't need a lot of space for it either. So we're just going to get started. If you want, it can be or feel a little bit less silly if you have some music. So if you have some music, you can turn it on now. And we're just going to get started. So again, I sometimes actually do it like going into a bathroom somewhere, like just a toilet, just to like release a little bit of stress or energy or whatever that I have. So what we will do is just shake it out. You can start with your hands. It's like a very easy way because I think a lot of us do this like just on like a regular, just go like poo, and like your body knows, right? So your body just automatically starts doing this. It can also be really nice to do it with the legs. You cannot see all of my legs, but they're doing it. You can also do it like, get in there. And it can be as big or as small as you want it right now. So you might make it really big. You can like go all the way, like shake everything out. If you have some music, you can also like, I don't know, vibe to the music that you have going. And doing this just for 2 minutes, even just for a minute, even just for a few seconds in the day when you're feeling like, like this, don't do this with me, by the way, keep shaking. But if you feel like this, or like you're working a lot and you feel like stressed, or you've been sitting still for a long time, even just a minute to like take a little break and like give your body a good shake can already reset things in the brain and in the body. So at the end, soonish, because again, it just takes 2 minutes, what we will do is stand still for a second so that you can feel that the cells in your body are right now like woohoo, having like an internal party as well. So it's not just like on the outside, but also on the inside things are happening. And I hope once you stop the video, you will be like, oh, actually I also feel a little bit more like cool, calm, collected in my head as well. And I know it looks silly, So, and I mean, I'm doing it on the internet, so. And again, normally I would do it in like, I don't know, at home without a camera, or again, like in a bathroom, like I'm at an event or something, or even at work, you can just like go to the bathroom and go like, and just shake it out. And it's like nice and relaxing. Okay, that would be about 2 minutes. So in like a minute, and again, if you have like a song going, you can just listen to one full song, for example, and that's already more than enough. So in 3, 2, 1, we're gonna come into stillness. Maybe also sigh it out. It's sometimes naturally just comes, which is also a really good sign, by the way. And just feel your feet on the floor. Feel maybe some tingling in your body somewhere. I feel tingling in my hands, but also like my shoulders and my legs. And see, like that automatically already starts up again. And if you want to keep moving and grooving, you always can. And otherwise, that was our soft reset for today. So if you want to come back to this, you can always come back to this. And you can also do it on your own anytime you want to take a little break. Have fun.